In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix broken links on Shopify. If your store's navigation is sending customers to the wrong place or to a 404 page, don't worry. This walkthrough will show you exactly how to update those links quickly and confidently. Start by heading to shopify.com and clicking Login. Sign into your store's admin with an account that has permission to edit your online store. Once you're in the admin, look to the left-hand panel and click on Content. This is where Shopify groups items related to your store's text and navigation. From the content area, open the drop-down menu and select Menus. Menus are where your navigation lives, such as the main menu at the top of your site and the footer menu at the bottom. Choose the specific menu you want to fix. If a link in your main navigation is broken, open main menu. If it's in your footer, open footer menu. Inside the menu, scan the list and find the menu item you want to fix. You might see nested items if you have drop-downs, so expand those if necessary to locate the exact link. When you found it, click the pencil icon to edit that item. Now check the link field carefully. Make sure the link points to the correct destination. For internal links, you can choose from standard options like products, collections, pages, blog posts, or policies. Selecting from these built-in options is safer than pasting a URL, since Shopify keeps these links updated if things change. If you're linking to an external website, ensure the full web address is correct, including HTTPS. Also confirm that the name or label of the menu item matches where it leads, so customers know exactly what to expect. If the link isn't correct, use the drop-down options to select the right destination. You can search by name, which helps if you have a lot of products or pages. After updating the link, click the check icon to confirm your change and close the edit view for that item. When you're satisfied with your updates, click Save. This applies your changes to the live menu. Remember, if you don't save, your edits won't be published and the broken link will remain. That's it. You've just fixed a broken link on Shopify by navigating to content, opening menus, choosing the right menu, editing the specific item, correcting the link, confirming with the check icon, and saving your changes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.